In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error that you get in Minecraft, GLFW Error 65542. The driver does not appear to support OpenGL. So to go ahead and fix this error, we're going to first open up a browser, and then in your browser type in DLL files. This will take you to a popular website called dllfiles.com, which is popular for downloading missing DLL files. And over here type in OpenGL32, and you'll find OpenGL32.dll. Click on it, and then over here you'll see a download for 64-bit, for 32-bit. Just download the one for 64-bit. So this one, and it's going to start. So once you see your OpenGL installation just like that, just right click on it and then extract all, and then extract. And you can delete this zip file. And when you open this, you'll see the OpenGL32.dll file that you need. And now what you want to do is open up a new tab or new file explorer, and then over here you have to go to this PC, and then click on OS, and then find program files, so right here, and then over here find Java, and then click on GRE 1.8 point whatever, and then find bin, and this is where all the DLL files are stored in Minecraft. And now what you want to do is take this DLL file, just Control X, you can cut it, so right click cut, or Control X, and then go over here and then right click paste, and you can click continue. And once you do that, this error should be resolved. If this didn't work, then you can do another thing, which is check your drivers, as the error said before that there's your drivers does not support. So you can go to device manager, and then over here you'll see display adapters. Just expand this and you'll see all your graphics cards. Just go one by one and update the driver. You can click search automatically for drivers and see which update you have. For me, I already have the best update here, so I can just go through each one just like that and update. As you can see, all of them are fully updated. You can also update them through Windows Update. So if you have any Windows updates, so Windows Update, check for updates just like that, and you'll see this menu. And as you can see, there's an update here, and you can go through the update and then try Minecraft again, and this will for sure solve your issue after that. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.